In a bright kitchen, a bubble of anticipation forms as colorful dish soap meets swirling water in a clear bottle. Step by step, a quick whirl of the hand triggers a miniature tornado that bursts into vibrant spirals, every hue dancing in the vortex. Close-ups reveal the rimming bubbles catching light, while tiny glitter dusts give a starry texture to the whirl. A slow-motion reprise magnifies the funnel's motion and tension as it fuses back into calm, pinks and blues fatting together. Finally, a bright ring of color settles, inviting curiosity and a playful grin.